After planning your case, it's time for designing the surgical guide. So let's head to the Design app. As you can see, you can simply open the Design app through its shortcut in the Planner app, and the case you're working on will be loaded automatically. First, convert the scanned model to a printable cast for the guide to be seated on. It's preferable to duplicate the model to keep the original one and work on the duplicate. Remember also to change its color and name so that you can easily differentiate between them. Make sure that the original model is invisible and the duplicate is selected. If there are any shells, which are considered a micro-hollow cavities in the model, remove them by clicking on Shells and select Remove. Since the model is a hollow object, to fabricate a stable base for it, you have to fill that hole. But filling the hole on that form will give an irregular base. So first you need to extrude the model to give you a uniform space to create the base of the cast. Then select Extrude. Choose head and feet direction as the direction for extrusion and select Subdivide Extruded Faces. Then press Begin Extrusion and move the mouse to a negative direction while pressing on the left click until you reach an optimum length. Then click Make Watertight to fill any holes. Use the Plane Cut tool to make a uniform base for the cast. Draw the plane, then select Cut and Fill. You can also use this tool to cut unnecessary parts. To facilitate the printing process, you can hollow the cast using the hollowing tool, then selecting the cutting plan. Finally, you can stamp the cast with your patient's name. Select the stamping tool and choose whether you want the stamp inward or outward. Type the name and place the stamping square in the desired position. And now the cast is ready for printing.